Okay, guys, I want to place my withdrawal now on Magnus, like for my job, like copy and paste. So when we told you that you can actually withdraw on Magnus without doing or without referring anybody, you thought it was a joke. Now the portal has opened. So now let me go and place my withdrawal. I just want to show you guys on this particular video. Let me click right here. So if you want to place your withdrawal, you click there. Just click on the icon. So after clicking on the icon, you can now go down to payment. Understand? So click on payment. After clicking on payment, you are going to see this particular first wallet. You see this one is open. This is not the one that we are going to withdraw from. This one is referral portal. So we don't want to withdraw referral. What we want to withdraw is our tax earnings. So let's go down. You see that this other portals is also closed. Magnus have different portals, understand? So when you scroll down, you are going to see job wallet. You see copy and paste. So this is our copy and paste wallet, and if you, as you can see right here, I have 26k on this particular wallet. So I want to withdraw this 26k right now. So all I will have to do is just to click on request funds. So after clicking on request funds, I will now enter the amount that I want to withdraw. So I will type in my 26,000 right here. So after that, I will just head over and click on submit. Incredible. Hope you can see. So when you were told that Magnus actually pays without referral, so you thought it was a joke. Now look at it now. So I have just informed all my downlines to go and place their withdrawal now. So Magnus is paying with or without referrals. So if you don't have referrals, you don't need to bother. You can register on Magnus and you can also get paid without referring a single person. So make sure to like this video and share it with others. So another thing that I'm also going to be showing you on this particular video is how to set up your bank details. Yes, you all know that if you don't set up your bank details or if you don't add up your bank details, you are not going to be able to place your withdrawal. There is no possible way that you can actually withdraw without setting up your bank details. So this is why it is very necessary for me to show you how you can actually set up your bank details in order for you to carry out your withdrawal successfully. So for you to set up your bank details, this is just what you just have to do. Just go to this particular place, click on this three dash icon. So after clicking on the three dash icon, now go to settings. You see, go to settings like this, and after getting to settings, you are going to see it this way: payment details. You see, and you are also going to see add payment details right there. So you just have to click on the add payment details. Let's wait for it to open. So after you click on add payment details, it's going to show you this particular place where you will require to add your bank. Understand? So this is where we are going to add our bank, and as you can see right here, this is where to choose the type of bank that we are using, and this is where to put our bank account number, and here is where we are going to validate our bank, like to validate our bank details. If you type in your account number right now, so the system is going to verify your details automatically to check if your account is correct, and if your account is correct, it's going to pop up your account name or the name on your account. So let's do that right now. For example, this is what, let me type in, let's say I want to use my palmpay account or money point. You can just scroll like this to check your bank, but since I don't want to waste such time doing that, if I want to use palmpay, I will just click right there and I will just type palmpay. Understand? So palmpay is going to come up, then I will just select palmpay. You see, so after selecting palmpay, I will now click on account number, which is the second one. I will now type in my palmpay account number. I just want to show you guys an example. So after typing in my palmpay account number, I will now head over and hit on validate. So you are going to see what I said before. So I'll click on validate. You see, automatically it has pop up my account name. So if my account wasn't correct, this wouldn't have come up, but since my account is correct, it has come up successfully. And finally, I just have to click on add account. Understand, I just have to click on add account for this account to be saved. So this is not actually my own Magnus account, so this particular account is what I use to show you this particular tutorial. So this is just how to set up your bank details for payment on Magnus. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. Bye.